at that. Ooh. Oh, that's a lovely shot. Beauties. Look at that mountain. Now look at the speed that she'll be coming around that bend. Not that tunnel there. Absolute beauty right there. That was the control panel. Not good, not good. Oh dear. Alright, hold it now. That's better. Look at that. Look. It's in our E96 Russian car. Screech into a halt. Beauty. Oh, I missed the target zone. Should probably fix that up. Alrighty. What just happened? Alright, I think I fixed it. Alright, so which one should bring out? Listen to that baby purr. Bloody loud, I'll tell you that. Come on. else, it's far too loud. I have a fully steamed fleet of engines in the roundhouse. They look very lovely. I got a class 3, a class 38, a class 86 if I can remember correctly, which is almost at the end, just right next to that green one right at the end. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can see that. Look at that. Oh, no, I almost forgot to mention this. Ta-da! I put some light strips in there, and now you can see inside. Look at that. This layout's still in its development stage, but it's still pretty good. We got a building yard right there. 2 big tunnels. Yard control area. I forgot what they call it. Got a factory over in the back. Some housing for. Probably get the layout. That's ballast, which I got most of it off of the layout because that was causing problems. Also, this engine I've stripped open because. Oh, no, I don't want you to move. See? Turned into a box car. Oh, wait, where's some mode? Very good runner. Well, I think that should be it. So, yeah. This is Samuel's Models signing out, I guess. Oh, bum's in the way. Yeah. That's it. Goodbye.